Super Cassettes Industries Private Limited, doing business as T-Series. Note 115 is an Indian music record label and film production company founded by Gulshan Kumar on 11 July 1983. 6. It is primarily known for Hindi film soundtracks, 6, and indie pop music. 7. As of 2014, T-Series is India's largest music record label, with up to a 35% share of the Indian music market, followed by Sony Music India and Zee Music Company. As of June 2024, T-Series also owns and operates the most viewed and the second most subscribed YouTube channel, with over 267 million subscribers, 9 and 257 billion views. While best known as a music label, T-Series has also had some moderate success as a film production company. Kumar, initially a fruit juice seller in Delhi, founded T-Series to sell pirated Hindi songs before the company eventually began producing new music. Their breakthrough came with the